This is nature. And this is not. But what do I experience that tells me I'm in nature? What do I see, feel, hear, smell, and move through that defines this relationship? And how do these sensations change when experienced in a man-made environment? In nature, I look for meaning in the space between, or the way sunlight reflects off water. Meaning I don't search for, even in man's towering achievements. I can see the energy of the earth constantly flowing in the wind, aiding others in their struggle to survive. Each passing leaf a reminder of a much grander system. And even when nature appears lifeless, there's always a reminder that life is never too far away. Man's environment is defined by logic. It's straight lines and even spaces. Someone, somewhere, once said yes, everything is in its right place, even though somewhere else it's not. But I guess we've gotten good at fooling ourselves. Yet nature finds ways to attach itself to what man has made, and man to what nature has provided. Here, there are signs on every street, giving rules, telling us exactly where we are and where we cannot be. This is not unique to the environment man has made, just to where he's been. I can feel nature tugging, pulling, resisting against my progress. I can feel what's lived before me and what will die after me. Man's surface is cold and lacking energy. He cuts the tree so it is smooth, pliable, and can be evenly spaced. Even the living is manipulated to be passable, neutered to fit man's desire. In nature, the sound of a footstep is a reminder of the life beneath your feet. A pathway sounds like construction beneath my feet. Easy travel, fast movement, little resistance. The sounds of nature rarely overpower the senses. The sounds of man, though, a cacophony of obtrusion, as if to say, I am man, hear me roar, now get out of my way. I breathe in volatile organic compounds, the smell of earthy pollens and decaying leaves along a musky shoreline. Man's stench is relegated to receptacles to hide it from our nostrils, out of sight, out of mind. But there's little escaping the smell of burning diesel that fills up the air. Even this tree's smell is foreign and out of place, put here by man. Movement through nature takes coordination and effort, especially if you're searching for something new. Nature is a maze, and there is no correct way or a straight path leading you to where you want to go. Man's path, though, is laid out before me. It takes little effort, both physically and mentally. He moves in straight lines and turns on right corners. But these are just my thoughts and feelings, defined through my own experiences. And every person should take the time to define their own relationship with nature and the man-made.